You can't have downtime. You can't have a situation where you lose, even as crazy as it sounds, a second of downtime because you could lose a multi-million-dollar batch of, a life-saving drug. My name is John Galinsky. I'm president of Automation Plus. We're a full-service system integration and manufacturing intelligence solutions provider to regulated industries such as the life science, chemical, and food and beverage industries throughout the globe. We had an opportunity with a client of ours. They're looking to migrate a legacy control system. This control system was running the purification process for a life-saving drug. What they had installed currently was a Rockwell system that was from the 1990s. And we really wanted to take them to the modern factory, right? The digitized factory. And this was really an application where Stratus really fit. They're in the life science or pharmaceutical space. They can't have downtime. And they need fault tolerance. And that's the biggest thing that we see as we engage clients is risk mitigation. How can you reduce risk in our manufacturing process to increase quality? Of course, they always want to get faster batch times, faster cycle times so they can put out more product, but really it's about risk mitigation and making sure that it's right the first time, and that's one of Stratus's strengths. So we're able to use the Stratus server fault tolerant within a redundant system, and it alleviated that risk for them that they would have an issue where their process might go down. In addition, Stratus gave us the ability, especially integrating into the Rockwell PLC, the control logics, which was running the operation, since Stratus is a partner with Rockwell, to know and be able to trust that those products are going to be compliant. They're tested, they work together. It's one less thing that we had to worry about as the integrator providing this solution to our client. It gives them the peace of mind, it gives them the mitigation of risk to know that they've got a solid solution that's going to last, is easy to maintain, and comes from trusted key partners. And it really was the difference for us in being able to win the work with our client and really having a successful project that we're able to keep as a feather in our hat within the pharmaceutical space and also within that specific manufacturer.